Like, nah, that's why Dad got my fan.
That's what I'm saying. It's
oh my God.
I think we should call Lena so we could like hit the beach or something.
Nah, yeah, we should.
I'm sweating.
We should go to the
Like,
beach.
I'm
I got my
sweating.
bikinis upstairs.
That's what I'm saying. I think we should just go. Like, I think we should go. But the thing is, it's like, what car are we gonna use? It's the problem because Lena just went home. So it's like, what are we gonna do?
We could probably do a zip car or something.
Or Uber.
Yeah.
But Ubers are mad expensive right now.
Yeah. It'll probably be like $100 right now.
And nobody got money for that. I don't even got money for that. Like, it's crazy. Like, I don't even got money for that. It's so hot. It's hot.
I can't stay home.
It is.
Hello. Hi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Nice to say. More to say.
Huh?
I'm saying, how are you?
We're good.
Me bacho ahaminya Gob3 and me pe Gob3. Gob3 there beans Gob3.
I don't know what Gob3 is.
I don't, what is Gob3?
Gob3. Ghana oba enuna jejipa Gob3. Beans illegally. Boy,
What is Gob3?
Gob3. Kobu sama me.
Talking about like-
When you papa. What to me to clean your home to Gob3.
What is he saying?
What is Gob3?
Beans illegally.
They don't have that here.
Beans.
They don't have that here. It's
Beans
not
are
here.
please away and me beans are brought for me. Menteda and niggerly. I fly a dengo. A gusso. Yadeko. We put cocoa. Do you know cocoa?
Plantain?
Yeah, plantain. The abele. Yeah, check near the atoso.
What
Then
is
we
he
use.
saying?
Then we use and cocoa. Do you know cocoa?
I'm sorry.
Oil red.
Red oil?
Red oil and cocoa put into the gallium and this waka flag.
I don't even know what he's saying.
They don't have it here. We don't have it here.
Then I bet here.
No, there's nothing here. Like, they don't have what you're asking for.
I bet here.
I'm sorry?
Don't know what.
They
Then I'm a plaza.
Hey!
They don't. I'm sorry, we can't help you because they don't have it here. We don't understand what you're saying.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you don't understand tree?
Not really, a little bit.
Oh, but you are not a Ghanaian?
I am.
Oh, but you have to try and speak tree. Oh, I know that you can speak English. That's why you can speak tree. That's why I'm speaking tree.
Oh,
So
okay.
if you don't speak tree, yeah, I'll change the language
Oh,
to English.
Okay, thank you.
How
That's
are you
what-
doing?
I'm good.
Are you staying around?
Yeah, I stay around here, yeah.
Oh, nice. I come from Ghana.
Oh, that's
yeah.
nice.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
nice.
We are country. We like their food.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
apapransa.
Well, over here they have jollof rice and
Yeah.
wache, those typical Ghanaian food.
Okay, they have wache.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, they don't have abetia.
No,
They don't have apapransa.
no, they don't have that here.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
Wow.
Yeah.
You are beautiful.
Thank you.
You are beautiful.
Thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
21.
Yeah.
And you?
I'm 19.
19. Come here, number. Honey, actually. I say, me, I'm not Babo. You know what my champion I am. I like you like a friend.
Like me?
Yes, a friend. Friendship. Yeah, do you have boyfriend?
Yes.
You have boyfriend?
Yes.
Ah. We are Ghanaian. You are Ghanaian?
But I don't speak true.
You don't speak it.
No.
I'm talking you are Ghanaian, you are 19, you have boyfriend. Ghana lady don't do that. Your mother tell your mother you are a small boy, small lady. Eh?
Small.
Yeah, I like it.
Look at me, I'm small.
No, your age is small, but your body is big. I like you. I like you. I like you like a friend.
Like a friend.
Yes.
This is my younger sister. She's young.
Yeah. I'm musician in Ghana.
Oh.
Yes.
What are your songs? Like, what songs do you sing?
Oh, me and Patapa are telling you about a song.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Sarkodia and
Yes, Sarkodia is my little boy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
You don't know?
No.
Oh, I play Obi Pemaye. It is Suzuka.
Oh, really?
Suzuka. No, I know
Oh,
how
you
to
was
rap.
featured in the song.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Me, I teach Sarkodia how to rap.
Oh.
Yes. Listen to me. Ropumo rapata wasuka sama pata and panfomia no patana my la paka. Li me kwamre kano mi huo baby. Nana we me fe. Na me touch no. He have big breasts and big bottles. Please, can you play in dancing for me? That I can do it better. Yes. Yes. Michelle baby. America. Yeah?
I have a boyfriend.
You have boyfriend.
Friend.
Me and number.
She don't have a number.
You don't have a
No.
number.
I'm sorry?
Yeah. Mister, I like you like a friend.
Yes. Yeah.
Can I? Yeah, I can't get.
I don't have a number. I'm sorry.
Hi.
Yeah, I don't have a number.
Sorry.
I'm actually engaged.
You engaged?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, be young mommy. We be young.
It's okay, but we'll see you later though. We'll see you later.
Are you sucking me?
No, we have to go somewhere.
Oh no, me you. Oh no, we are.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, we have to go.
Oh, Mika, I'm talking him. Oh,
Her.
Hey, I'm talking her. Yeah.
I'll give you 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't understand what you're saying.
I like I'm big boy. I'm 35 years. Yeah.
Too young.
You are too young. A baby. Oh, for the.
What are you saying?
I'm saying a baby.
What?
He beware. Yeah. Understand what? Free say me say so me abroach le ni bad.
Huh?
Me bin twin da. Say me na wo twema me a me ka
What
bibia.
are you saying?
Me di majapade nyina be tenya.
What are you saying?
I'm saying I don't have abroach girl. Yes. Abroach like amonone foreign girl. I don't get foreign girl. Oh. Ubet me jam ko. Throw me away, throw me.
Throw you away?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm throwing you
Oh no,
away.
it's not like that.
Oh.
Jam ko na block. Jam coin. Follow me. And then me go
Follow you where?
to go home. Jam
To
coin.
go home?
Yeah, jam
I can't go
coin.
home with you. I already told you I have a boyfriend.
When you go?
Huh?
Oh, mommy,
What are you saying?
when you were funny. Yeah. Oh, mommy, your mother is there. Don't tell your mother you see me, okay?
Why?
Oh, because of the Ghana woman don't like Ghana boy.
Okay, you said my sister said 1 minute, so I'm going. Okay.
Oh, sister, no boy, one person make
Huh? What are you saying?
your sister is my friend. Why? Why? Okay. Jama why?
Huh?
Who sister name is Why?
Huh?
Jama
What are you saying?
who sister on Pranasa? Mukula Pan on Pranasa. Why? Love me.
Why are you crying?
Love it. Love me. Please love me, okay?
I love you like a friend.
Yeah. I love you like a friend. Okay?
So you're friend.
Yes, friends. friends.
Friend.
Friends. Can I get your number? Maybe Adam phone it to say me. Huh? Say Adam phone me new number, then Adam phone. Unyane ba ya. Unyane, nani say.
Sister.
It's been 1 minute, sir. So we're gonna leave you alone, but we'll see you later.
He threw me away.
He wants you to like see him.
He
but,
threw me
but
away.
it's okay. But let's just go.
Oh, oh, sorry.
Oh, please let go of me.
Oh,
Let go.
Oh,
Let
please.
go. Let
Excuse
go.
me, we're gonna call the police if you don't leave.
Oh, police.
Yeah, because we don't know you.
Oh,
so,
me, I'm Ghana.
Oh, it's okay. It's
Oh.
fine. It's okay.
I'm Ghana.
Okay.
Oh,
It's fine.
I'm Ghana.
So you're not gonna let me go?
Oh,
Like we're gonna let you go, but thank you for being nice to us. But you have to go.
I'm Ghana.
Okay. We'll
Oh,
see
we
you
are
later.
Ghana.
We'll see you later.
Hello,
Thank you.
bye. No contact. I'm from my pa. Hey, I'm crank it. Wow. Hello. Sweetheart. We party. Can I join a number? Oh, Brony, there is a Brony, there are more. Can I join a number? Hello. Yeah. Oh, madam. What's the tree? Oh, I have one. So, Miss Hill, many are down for me. I mean, to me, and Castle. And coming in Casamami. Oba, also 19 years. Oh, so 19 years. Me. Dabby, oh, me go with saying funny at home, Bobby. Any or so
Gob3 America. You gotta go to the African market and buy your own stuff. Gob3. I am to force and the man of
Madam, no credit about Can me who need it, Madam. Can you hear me fair?
It's the own for your bass, so not to say me I'm eating now. Oh, Babette, come in your Kuban once a month when they say, Bingo Penny my own. How why they own?
How penny?
Men power but Bema, we are there, catch them something of Obama.
Oh, there be one at home, Cassano. The American on India.
Why are them and I have a yapa? Oh, I saw the people Saturday. Oh, yes, sir. No more, I say. I don't woman, I'm not sure. Time board is a one for water. Say you're after the other.
Say your walk.
Member and a papa. Oh, I don't know who shall ring sounds on my number. Now put the animal. And I can understand this is an animal. Papa, I know painting a wood. Just say, okay, when I'm fun, I mean, more happy than I'm so wanting come Mempel.
Come false.
Mr. Mempel.
Hello. Madam, you will be trying me. I'm a pen. Many cats and me family can you bar party. No cost for me family. Hello.
Hi.
Mommy.
Yes.
My hello. Now,
Hello.
you don't understand tree?
Pardon?
You don't understand tree?
No, I don't. I'm sorry.
Hello.
Hey, hello.
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
I'm listening. What's up?
Yeah. Can I talk to you?
You can talk to me. Can you stay still?
Oh, stay here.
Okay, just stay still. Stay still.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
I want to talk to you.
Okay, you can talk. I'm on a business
How are you?
call.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Can I have your number?
No.
Why?
I don't give my number to strangers. I'm sorry.
Oh, me, I'm not a stranger. I'm Ghana. I come from Ghana.
Oh, you from Ghana?
Yeah.
I'm from Ghana too.
You are Ghanaian?
Yeah.
But you can't speak Chi.
Yeah, but
Why?
because I was born here.
You are born here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your mother is Madam Free.
No.
Oh, okay. I'm a for sure.
Pardon?
I'm talking. I know your mother.
You don't know my mother.
I know your mother.
You don't know my mother.
Are you sitting in this house?
No. I'm behind the building.
You are behind the building.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you give me a favor?
What's a favor?
Madam, the teaper is a bluff for me to be free.
Pardon?
Please, me to me come bluff for me. But please, me motive family free Ghana by any say. Say, Obia Wally blow for. Madam, me person me
I
Wally
have no
blow
idea what's going on right now. I am so confused. I have
me patron me casa. Me say,
I'm sorry.
me Ghana ni na champana.
Yeah, I'm from Ghana.
Yes. Then we can't champana.
No.
Why no?
What's that?
Me wako for, me want to for, me gender for. I'm a big farmer. Into the farmer man, mammy, a becasa. Why? Massa, me didn't come. Why?
Excuse me.
Catch a minute didn't come.
Pardon?
And a minute who didn't come. Why? And catch us on cat corner.
A boy?
Yes.
Is it your business?
But me pay a cent. I don't know no boy casa. Me pay me some pay. Me some pay. I like you.
You like music by force?
Yes.
Coach.
Me chop
What
like
the coach? Coach, you want to?
2 to 3.
Me teach you with the coach. Why? Why?
Hey, after this, Remy.
Who wants to bro for? Who prepare me? Huh? What do you call it?
Now, say out to 3.
Was a quaba bravo.
Say out to 3.
Bravo, what do you call it?
Me and him was a
What's the
papa.
bro for? It's me a pop.
What the funny mama there?
Who goes school by now? I'll give it to you, okay?
Afraid the matter. Hey, Akra kati. Say my children, you know me and son. Say me meant to blow for me. Now blow your phone call.